In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return an item and request a refund through your Home Depot account online. We'll be doing this in Google Chrome, and the process is fairly simple once you know where everything is located. The goal is to start the return from your account, generate the prepaid shipping label, and then send the package back properly so your refund can be processed. To begin, open Chrome and go to the Home Depot website. Once you're there, sign into your account. Make sure you're using the same account that was used to place the order because your purchase details and return options will only appear under that account. If you have more than one account, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one before moving forward. After you've logged in, navigate to your purchase history page. This is where you'll find a record of your past orders, including the one connected to the item you want to return. Depending on how many orders you've placed, you may need to scroll a bit or use any available filters to locate the correct order more quickly. It helps to double check the item name and order details so you don't accidentally open the wrong purchase. Once you've found the correct order, select it and click Return Items. This will open the online return flow for that order. From there, follow the prompts on the screen and choose the reason for your return. Be as accurate as possible when selecting the reason, since this helps ensure the return is documented correctly and can sometimes affect the return path or refund handling. After you've submitted the return details, Home Depot will provide a prepaid shipping label for you to print. Go ahead and print that label and attach it securely to your package. Before sealing the box, make sure the item is packed safely to help prevent damage during transit. If possible, use the original packaging, but if you no longer have it, choose a sturdy box and make sure the label is clearly visible. The final step is to drop off the packaged item with the designated shipping carrier shown on the label. This drop-off is what triggers the online return shipment and starts the refund process. Once the carrier accepts the package, keep any receipt or tracking confirmation for your records in case you need to check the shipment status later. And that's it! Once the return is in transit and received, your refund will be processed according to Home Depot's return timeline.